Blacksmith shop. All right. Well, looks like it's closed today. It's still pretty cool. A little hot today?
I can't.
Very cool place. Let's go inside. This old plaque says the Folsom Powerhouse, completed in 1895. Oh. There's an old street lamp that kept the streets lit up at night.
I'm so glad you were doing that. I forgot. I forget. You know, I went to home. No way you found everything. Yeah. So it might be. I was looking at it one day, just reviewing that. These people that were from Grant, Nebraska. Grant, Nebraska is a really small town off at I-80 at Oklahoma. So when I go to visit my relatives there, I get on I-80 and I go east. So I get off Oklahoma and then I turn and go back.
There's 4 of these things. You making power?
Yeah.
I don't know.
Okay. This is how
Turn it
you.
fast. Whoa, good job. What did you say?
This side connects to that side over there.
Oh.
Then it goes like
And the water went through
scorpion.
there?
Then it goes like scorpion.
A scorpion, oh.
It goes like scorpion slide. And this is the middle of it.
This is how they turned water
See,
into electricity.
It's like a rainbow.
There's switchboards and generators and turbines. And these are called pentastocks. Or penstocks, I think. Yeah, penstocks.
Yeah.
So this is the superintendent's office. And there's the original superintendent's desk.
What kind of lock is this?
Well, I don't know. Insulators, meters.
I like the code locks.
All right, here's the blacksmith shop.
We're in prison. We're in prison.